Today, we will learn how to book a train ticket. This conversation is simple. Listen slowly. Read the subtitles.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I want to book a train ticket.
Sure thing. Where do you want to travel to?
I want to travel to the capital city.
And when do you want to travel?
I want to travel tomorrow.
Do you prefer a morning train or an evening train?
I prefer a morning train.
All right. How many tickets do you need?
I need 2 tickets.
And are they for adults or children?
2 adults.
Which class would you like? Standard or first class?
Standard class, please.
Okay. The total cost is $60.
Okay. I will pay by card.
Here's your ticket. The train leaves at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant journey.
Let us repeat the key sentences. I want to book a train ticket. Where do you want to travel? I need 2 tickets. Standard class, please. I will pay by card.